Here's the Explorer of the Seas. Oh, good. Balcony room, 6624. Walk in. To the left, we have the closet. You got plenty of shelf room there. And plenty of hangers. Life preservers up top. You need to take that to your muster station. It tells you on here. And immediately to your right is the light for the bathroom. Kind of stupid, if you ask me, because you have to open the door in the middle of the night to go or something, and you turn the light on if you need it. Then you have the nice shower doors. Temperature gets plenty hot. Removable shower head. Then replace your towels whenever you want, every day. And then there's storage in here. And then got some room down here. This is older ship. So there's no USB ports. So we bring our own block. It has a European, got USBs, and you can take this, you know, international if you want to. But otherwise, you have storage on both sides of this. It's got its own light. And then regular 2 American plugs there, 110, and TV. And some people, like my brother, anywhere but Missouri, on YouTube, he brings his Fire Stick and hooks that up. And then you have a safe. More storage up here. You got drawers down there. There is a hair dryer. It's not the greatest, but it does the job. And tissues, more storage. This is a cooling fridge. It's not ice cold, but it keeps your waters warm. Basic, or keeps your waters cool. I mean, not warm. And there's Stitch. Gotta have a comfy Stitch. Let's see. And your balcony. You gotta keep this door closed. You can't keep it open, otherwise your AC shuts off. And this is the balcony. And today we're in St. Thomas. Nice kick out back here to get a nice view of the ship. And we'll have a nice view of the sunset tonight. So we're in the back of the ship, 6624. It's convenient. I'll show you. It's super convenient. It is right next to the staircase. So keep that closed. So I don't have my card with me. Get back in. I got all these knacks here. Pretty neat. So right here, this is a great room. It's right next to the elevators or the stairs. And here's 6. And so Right ahead of us is Windjammer. You got Johnny Rockets back here. Next cruise, library card rooms, just one floor up. Got the Diamond Lounge up top. And then down here is casino. Just go down and walk over 2 floors. Pretty simple. So it's a pretty good room. I specifically checked this one out to make sure I got it when I booked this cruise, to be right next to the staircase. That's that. My next cruise is the Allure of the Seas in January, on January 16th. We'll see you then, and I'll do another room update.